The crowned lava rib melt and chocolate thunder egg explosion. Description: start with a mountain of maple braised beef short ribs cascading over smoked Gouda mashed potato lava. It's topped with crispy onion frizzles and a brown sugar chipotle glaze. Then boom, beside it sits a molten chocolate thunder egg, a crackable dessert shell filled with brownie crumble, vanilla mousse, and liquid fudge, surrounded by roasted pecans and bruleed banana coins. Sweet and savory reign together. Ingredients: for the braised short ribs: 2 pounds boneless beef short ribs, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup maple syrup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup beef stock, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon chipotle powder, smoked Gouda mash, 4 Yukon Gold potatoes, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup shredded smoked Gouda, salt, pepper, garlic powder, crispy onion frizzles, 1 small onion, thin sliced, 1/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup flour, oil for frying, chocolate thunder egg. 1 chocolate sphere shell can be made with tempered chocolate or bought. 1/2 cup brownie crumble, 1/4 cup vanilla mousse, 2 tablespoon hot fudge. Extras: roasted pecans, bruleed banana coins, sliced bananas caramelized with sugar, edible gold flakes optional. Instructions: 1. Braise the ribs, season and sear ribs. Add syrup, soy sauce, garlic, stock, brown sugar, and chipotle. Braise at 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius for 2.5 hours until tender. Reduce liquid to glaze. 2. Mash, boil and mash potatoes. Add cream, smoked Gouda, season well. Keep warm. 3. Onion frizzles, soak onions in buttermilk. Dredge in flour. Fry until crispy. 4. Thunder egg, fill chocolate shell with brownie, mousse, fudge. Chill until serving. 5. Assemble. Spoon mash in a lava mound. Layer ribs and glaze on top. Crown with crispy onions. Plate thunder egg beside it, surrounded by banana coins.